What's up, guys? We are going to take a look at some new rumors about the upcoming iMac, but some of them aren't really that exciting. We could also be seeing Face ID coming to the Macs, and the iPhone 12's notch will be much smaller. Alright, let's dive right in. Let's start with the iPhone 12. So what we already know is that there will be a 5.4 inch, two 6.1 inch, and one 6.7 inch, the highest end Pro Max model. 9to5Mac confirmed that a 5.4 inch model will be coming, and they managed to scale down iOS 14 to show how it would look. But then what about the notch? The notch is getting smaller this year, and it's confirmed because display panels were leaked. The notch looks shorter and a little thinner, which can be seen from this image from 9to5Mac. You can truly see how much smaller it will be. The bezels are also said to be getting much slimmer, which then makes sense to slim down the notch. So definitely expect finally a smaller notch. But one interesting thing that we have yet to see is the final design for the iPhone 12. However, we might not see it now because of the delay in the iPhone 12 series. We are hearing that they will very likely push back all the way to October or November for the release of the iPhone 12. I also saw some rumors that there won't be an update to iPhone this year, but I think that is highly unlikely. So we will have to wait for the new iPhones for just a few more months. Now, regarding the new iMac, last week there was a tweet from I'd Love to Dream saying that new Apple products are ready to ship. And we are talking about a new iMac, AirPods Studio, AirTags, and maybe a portable HomePod. These products, at least some of them, should be coming very, very soon in the near future. John Prosser is also saying that the new iMac will start shipping in August, and his rumors are mostly accurate, so it might actually happen. However, we were all hoping that the iMac would have this massive redesign and massive changes, as you can see from this image. That's not the case. The iMac with the larger display, the slimmer bezels, maybe Face ID, and all of that is not coming. I mean, at least not now. Maybe by the end of the year, but not now. This new update will only be on the hardware side, so the specs, but the iMac itself will look exactly the same as it does now. But it makes sense. We know that Apple is working to switch to their own Apple Silicon, and we might be seeing this as soon as this year. So would it make sense for Apple to redesign the iMac now? I would say not really. I feel like they will redesign and really upgrade the iMac once they put their own Apple Silicon into them. So essentially this year the iMacs will stay the same in regards to screen size, the bezels, and the overall design, but there will be spec upgrades. Now, about the future iMacs and Macs in general. 9to5Mac has found that Face ID is coming to the Mac based on discoveries in macOS Big Sur Beta 2. This makes a lot of sense, and that is something I am really looking forward to. However, they don't know exactly when we could see this happen. But I would believe that it will be within the next year, otherwise why would it be in macOS Big Sur? Well, if you enjoyed this video, then please do leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay notified when I release my next video. Also, if you missed my previous video, then you know what to do. Please click the card shown up here. Okay, take care, and I'll see you in my next video.